Hello, today we have Samsung S22 with password on it, and also it's have it Google account. In today's video I will show you how can you easily get rid of password and Google account lock. Also I will explain you about tools what I use and where you can purchase them. Let's start. Of course we can't start video without coffee, right? Right. Okay, we have this S22 which is password lock. First what we need to do is factory reset it. How you can do that? Pretty simple. Plug the cable in, boom, it's connected and we can hear tones, blong blong blong. Now we need to hard reset. You can do hard reset by pressing and volume down button. Soon as this restarts, press the power button and volume up button. Let's see if it is working. Volume down, power button, that makes hard reset it. And soon as this turns on, and let it go. And it should enter into bootloader. Maybe not this time. Maybe this time. Sometimes it can take multiple times to do that. Let's see. And looks like this time it's not working. Let's try it again. Power button, volume down button, and then power button and volume up button. Let's try it again. Why it's not going? Why it's not going? And it's going. Why you don't believe yourself? You see? Power button, volume down button, soon as this restarts, power button and volume up button. And phone has to be plugged into charger or computer. And now just press wipe data and wipe cache and reboot device. Simple. Simple, right? Very right. Okay, now let's wait till it boots up. Should be fast because it's S22. It's not like A14 who is booting up like for ages. Come on, brother. I believe you. I believe you. Okay, boom, it's factory reset. Good, right? Of course, right. Let's set it up and see if we can bypass. How you can see already on the top, it's locked. But let's confirm that, alright? Let's confirm that. And you can see unauthorized attempt has been made. That's bad. Let me enter password. Can't believe it, incorrect password. Now should be correct. Right, right. It is correct. Well done, Martins. You can enter passwords correctly. Good. Preparing for mobile connection. Yes, please. Setup in settings later. Setup in settings later. It will take some time, isn't it? Looking for info. And how you can see, enter the PIN or Google account instead. Which is bad news, right? Not for us, not for us. Let's go to the front screen and I will show you something. Okay, Now let's go to the computer. We are at my website and this video is sponsored by me. If you are looking for unlock tool license, Phoenix service tool credit or me account remove, feel free to visit our website and purchase those things. However, today we will use subscribe button and notification button. That's what we will use. Okay, I'm just joking. However, we will use Phoenix tool. And how you can see in Phoenix tool you can do all sorts of things like flash the Nokia, HMD, Samsung, Oppo, Realme, OnePlus, Xiaomi, all sorts of things, which is cool tool, right? Right. Okay. To remove FRP from this particular phone or any another Samsung phone, you need press Samsung and then read information. And how you can see is S22 model. And how you can clearly see, checking lock status triggered. That means it's been factory reset and it's triggered FRP, which is factory reset protection. Okay, to remove FRP you will need 6 credits, usually 6 credits, but at some days it's less than 6 credits. And of course you can purchase them from us and we will happily sell you some. However, next thing what you need to do is press this magical button, which is reset FRP. And that's it. And it's asking for 6 credits. Press yes and let magic happen. Let magic happen. Requesting permission. Boom. Requesting device data, unlocking data, and sending unlock data, removing security, and boom, it's unlocked. Read information and clearly you will see status is unlocked. Now let's take our phone. Let's try to set it up now. Set up manually. Connect to Wi-Fi. Preparing your for mobile connection. Set up later. Getting your phone ready. Don't copy. Of course don't copy. Skip. More. Accept. Google. Next. Skip anyway. Let's allow to install the garbage. Set it up later. Skip. Agree. And you are all set up. And that was that easy. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you need some Phoenix tool credits, feel free to contact us. We will sell you all of them. Have a good evening and peace.